Hello, and welcome to inPerson, a Microsoft Teams app that helps you manage your flexible office hours. In this tutorial, we're going to take the role of a team owner and see how you can set up the app for your team members. So let's switch to Teams. Today, as an owner of the HR team, I am going to set up a new tab with inPerson. I click on the plus sign here, where I have a choice of different apps, and I am looking for inPerson, which has already been installed in my tenant by the admin. So I can just select the app here and choose to add it to the channel. First time you install an app, it's going to open the settings panel. And here for inPerson, the first thing I need to do is initialize the data store by just clicking here on this first menu item and confirming. The initialization is going to take around 1 minute. And what it does is create a number of SharePoint libraries and lists that are going to be used by the app. The app has now been initialized. If we go and take a look at the SharePoint content behind this theme, we see that I have a library here and a number of lists that are going to be used by the app. By default with Microsoft Teams, all team members have edit access to the content. So if you need more secure access, you'll need to come here and edit the list permissions. Now that I have finished initializing the data store, I can start setting up the app. I start by adding a building. And a short building code that is going to be used by the app. Here, I'm just going to call my building 4S. Okay, and now I can upload my floor plan. Of course, for now, I just have one building. And I'm going to pick my HR floor plan here. Open, okay, and simply save it. Okay, I have added my building, my floor plan, and now I can start managing the spaces. My floor plan is in accessible SVG format and displaying a spot for each space. inPerson has two types of spaces, shared and designated. Shared spaces can be booked by the users themselves. Designated spaces can only be booked by the admins. What I'm going to do here for each of the spaces, and it's going to take a few minutes, is decide if I want that space to be shared or designated. So let's go ahead and apply. Okay, 4 more spaces to go. And I can now save my settings. So I should now have 8 share spaces, 3 designated spaces, and 1 has been discarded and should not show up anymore. Okay, so here I can confirm the numbers and confirm here. Okay, so my first floor plan is completely registered here, and I can start using it. Once I have set up all my floor plans, what I can also do here as an admin is assign the designated spaces. I'm going to pick a name, Alex. And for example, Alex needs to be in the office on Mondays and Wednesdays. I am selecting those days, morning and afternoon, and now I'm going to select my building, my floor plan, and the 3 designated spaces for that floor plan are showing up. I'm going to pick this one for Alex, confirm here the registration. Once you are done with the settings, you can now close the panel. And now your team members can come to the In-Person tab to manage their flexible office hours. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have questions, feel free to send us an email or contact us on Twitter. Thank you for watching.